It appears now that President Trump is reversing course on Head Start. This all after an initial budget proposal leaked from the White House proposing total elimination of the preschool program. The latest budget proposal shows the return of that funding.
Our Anna Saunders, she joins us live in the studio with those developments tonight and reaction. Anna?
Yeah, that's right. Those involved with Head Start are breathing sighs of relief to see that funding in the president's budget outline, but also eager to make sure that that funding is not cut in any way throughout the appropriations process.
Nikki Cavalier, the executive director of AFL-CIO Appalachian Council Head Start, says the proposed funding cut was a wake-up call. Now, it's cautious optimism.
We've won a big battle. We haven't won the war. Things can still change, but it's looking much more positive than it was a few weeks ago.
It's not clear what caused Trump to change course, but Cavalier says the Head Start community did raise their voices. Here, she's going through crafts and letters kids from the 11 West Virginia counties that Appalachian Council Head Start serves that they made to send to Congress.
But the children all signed their names.
They were asked to say what they love about Head Start. One says, "I love school." Another says, "I love Head Start because I get to eat."
To see the impact really speak loud and clear how impactful Head Start was on the lives of children and families.
Head Start offers child care and preschool services for about 8,000 kids in West Virginia from low-income families or foster families or even those experiencing homelessness. But the program also offers wraparound services to help with food, health care, and career readiness for parents. And Senator Shelley Moore Capito indicated during a press briefing on Thursday that Congress would support appropriations for Head Start.
You know, we've got to get our young families, our young students off in a healthy, educated, ready for school posture, which is what Head Start does. So I'm pleased to see that they haven't cut, the president doesn't intend to cut the funding for that. And I think Congress will follow his direction.
If Head Start would have been eliminated, about 3,000 jobs would also be on the line in West Virginia. And Cavalier pointed out that that's not counting working parents who would be impacted. Now she's hoping the funding makes it to the end.
We have traditionally had bipartisan support for Head Start for 60 years, and we just want that to continue. And I think if they didn't know what Head Start was before, they absolutely know what Head Start is now.
Now, Capito did indicate that Head Start funding is an annual appropriation, so it will be separate from the contentious reconciliation package. It would be in the yearly appropriations, and Capito does serve on that appropriations committee. Live in the studio, Anna Saunders, Eyewitness News.